Hello everyone, today I want to share with you is the photovoltaic connector Y junction branch. First, let's look at the Y-bus branch RE connector. It is suitable for connecting the output of two photovoltaic panels in parallel to one output line. Next, the Y-bus branch 3E connector. This connector can connect the output of three photovoltaic panels in parallel to one output line, resulting in higher output power. And finally, let's introduce the Y-bus branch 4E connector. It is an efficient connector capable of connecting the outputs of four photovoltaic panels in parallel to one output line.